welcome at PROTASIS in Athens. Come with us.
Hello, I am George Arvanitis, Commercial Director at PROTASIS.
I'm Christa Zouli, Head of Marketing and Communications. Welcome to our headquarters.
Since 2002, we have been delivering expert services for power systems, including consulting, studies, and maintenance. For the Partner Award, we have submitted our solution, the Integrated Hybrid Energy Management and Control System, which lies at the heart of the project Hybrid System for Electricity and Heat Production from Renewable Energy Sources on Agios Efstratios Island. This project represents a significant milestone toward energy autonomy, as the system has repeatedly achieved zero carbon dioxide emissions.
The Agios Efstratios project brings together a wind turbine, a solar PV installation, a battery energy storage system, and a district heating network. With Xenon at its core, this project is designed to supply over 85% of the island's electricity demand, while reducing dependence on conventional heating sources.
The first screen that we see, it is the general overview of the project. It's the electrical single line diagram of the project, where we can see the different energy sources as well as the medium voltage distribution. The screen that we see right now, it depicts the photovoltaic, where we can see the measurements from the photovoltaic production as well as the meteorological data. In this screen, we see the battery energy storage system, where we depict in real time the state of charge of the batteries, as well as critical alarms and events concerning the battery storage. In this screen, we see the production from the wind turbine, as well as some measurements for the operation of the wind turbine. Since 2007, we have been a trusted COPA-DATA partner. Our long-standing collaboration enables us to deliver tailor-made solutions that truly meet our clients' needs.
As a gold partner of COPA-DATA, we integrate the latest software technology and continuously train our engineers, ensuring that the SCADA systems we deliver are always reliable, secure, and easy to use.
We are excited to participate to Xenon Ice event and share our insights about Xenon. See you in Salzburg!